Want to update your Xiaomi S10 Robot Vacuum firmware? It takes less than 2 minutes. First, make sure your robot is sitting directly on its charging dock. Next, verify your battery is above 20%. Finally, confirm your phone and vacuum are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Open the Mi Home app on your phone. Tap on your Xiaomi S10 device card. Look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the 3 dots icon. Scroll down and select Firmware Update. The app will automatically check for the latest version. If an update is ready, hit the download button. While updating, the indicator lights on your vacuum will flash. Do not move the robot off the dock. Do not unplug your Wi-Fi router. Interrupting this process can brick your device. Just wait for the app to say Update Successful. That is it. Your Xiaomi S10 is now up to date with the latest features. Smash that like button if this helped you out and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.